Come on over this way a little bit. Okay, there he is. There he is, okay. Okay, wait till he goes up that little hill. Right there.
He's hit.
Good shot.
He's down. I think he's hit pretty hard, too.
Okay, just move in slow. Move in slow. Let Yuri go on in first there.
All right.
Go ahead, Yuri.
Is he done, Yuri?
Easy behind him, Buck.
Okay.
Okay, he's dead.
Okay.
Whew. What a bear.
It's a nice bear,
beast.
Buck.
Congratulations, Buck.
Thank you, Yuri.
You're a very good hunter. Very
Thank you.
good shoot.
Thank you.
Give me a 5, Yuri.
Wow. Well, I'll tell you what,
Okay.
I've always wanted to hunt a brown bear, and we worked hard on this trip going up and down the mountains, and we found one.